brown skin.
About to get our first race in. Amari just got his brand new 2018 Mustang. Yeah, we're about to have our first race. We both have 10 speeds, so this is really crazy. Do I look crazy?
Yeah.
Martha's pulling up as well. She's just
Pulling up to Martha.
we're pulling up on her. So, but we're gonna race on the way there basically. So I just wanted to introduce this Mustang real quick. Go ahead now. It's Frosty.
I'm gonna figure out a name, but I guess it got a mirror name.
Right. And I just wiped Sauna down. So it's like I didn't want to, disrespect his Frosty pimping or nothing like that. So I messed Sauna up. She has to get a correct car wash because these smears are bad. She's warm. She's warm. Do a track. I said track. What? Track?
Do a track without a like a V6.
What? He said it sounded disgusting like a V6. Ain't nothing wrong with a V6. I can't believe we missed the meet, but it's like we can make our own.
I mean, but it's not. It's what I was getting.
Right. No, for a fact. I keep thinking you about to start it. I forget. No, like from here. I'm so excited. Right, keep going. Do you have different modes? Like sport, tour, or just one? Oh, that wasn't in sport though, that was in drive.
No, it's
In sport, it would have sounded way
no,
louder,
it's
I
in
believe.
park. Leave it in park. No, he doesn't have that.
no.
That's changing. Don't listen to her.
Wait, oh, okay,
You have
okay,
two
okay.
different
Sorry.
things. Y'all have two different cars.
Really did race a Mustang, one of your beloveds, and beat his ass. Oh, you got her in track.
And forward, so it's time to race.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 3, 2.
No, stop. 1, 2, 3. You don't know how to drive, on God. I say pull in, look at this. Thank you, Amar. Motherfucker can't pull in for shit. Like, where are you at? Get in the... Here you go. That's what I'm saying. Back up and get in the curve. What they say? For you, Tony? Who's Tony? Oh, I'm sorry. I was asking a question. Oh, there are people looking at us like what we're doing. You're the only one loud as hell, this big ass V8. And then she got this motherfucking V8. Y'all know y'all did it, you know what I mean? Camaro, Mopar, Mustang. Y'all did it right, this one. Motherfuckers had Hondas, literally all y'all, didn't they?
Yeah, but she had the first one.
Yeah.
But she didn't have hers long.
Yeah, she's so deaf shit.
No, we don't want to be ghetto. I'm sorry.
We don't want to be ghetto.
They looking crazy. They scared like we about to rob them.
Right. Like, hello? Like a gang? What do you mean? I love that. I love that. Right.
Y'all not supposed to be driving these cars. Y'all can't drive for real. You just open those. Y'all just...
Yes, honey.
We scare your whole car, your whole job.
Right.
Martha.
It's really a ghetto night, and I'm sorry. Tell them I'm
It really
sorry.
started with this hood rat car right here, this one. It started with that one. And then the rest of the hood rat cars pulled up.
Me and Amari just raced.
Need to race.
He lost, so he has to redeem himself. That's what I'm saying. Are you ready? Are you down? No. Before you trade it in. And then you're gonna want to keep it, Martha.
I got so much negative equity. Ain't no
Negative equity. I'm sorry. No.
I would have seen that on YouTube. I watch our YouTube channel.
The stars.
That's how I knew he was lying. That's all I'm looking at him like.
Frosty. You think so?
I'm thinking about a Kia Stinger, but I don't know.
Oh! He told me to tell you that.
Motherfucking face in your
You're
motherfucking
so
What?
corny.
No.
He's so corny.
She She said you was interested in the Kia.
I want the K5,
and
but I'm thinking about
she said
the
that, and I
Stinger,
said you should look at the Stinger. She said, she want a K5.
I do want a K5,
Then
but
I
I'm
asked,
thinking about a
I
Stinger.
said, did you ask her about a Stinger though? Stinger's the same thing as that twin turbo. Twin turbo, you beating this. And that's on my
Not
money.
really.
Swear to God, I have no people. I know people that have the Kia Stinger is beating Scat Pack. And you don't even have Scat Pack.
No, I don't. Look.
The orange Stinger in Charlotte, stop it. Try again.
What's the leader?
I don't know because
Bella Flare. That's what it's
What's the
because
leader of it?
horsepower
Like
on the Stinger is lower than that though.
So,
Because that's
I know, but it's
375.
lighter.
Next car meet, are we all racing ours together?
That's if I have it. We praying the Lord takes this
Just
up
get a
off
Kia
my
Stinger. It's
hand.
still faster though. You'll beat all of them probably with a Kia Stinger.
No, this has like 400 and something horsepower. There's no.
It's like 455.
This shit, I saw this racing a fucking Scat Pack, and it pretty much.
Stinger show you races.
I've seen a Kia
Jesus
Stinger.
Christ, man. We just need to put this shit to action. Let's go.
I'm
Let's
just gonna
go.
go back to the Honda, and y'all can have the race. Like,
No, Martha, you're gonna love. You always wanted one though. They're so big. Maybe that's
The
why
Challenger?
you like.
Yeah.
You just literally don't like the gas. Do you love it,
I love it, but I don't like the gas.
Martha? We can get you a sugar daddy to cover your gas
You about to hit the
expenses if
gym
it's
after
just the
this. You
gas.
about to hit the work and then hit gym. That's
No.
what this
I'm about to hit home.
Yeah,
I just put this bitch up, and it's already on empty.
She about to hit the block. You
Yes,
about to hit
sis,
the
I just
road.
filled that shit up Monday, and it's already on empty. I had to put gas in it today.
All of them. That's why I said you.
I'm fucking dumb.
I don't know, man. I mean, it's expensive, man. This V8 shit is just real
Listen,
ghetto.
but I didn't think about that though. Y'all have to take that into consideration.
Just about to go home and go to sleep, huh?
I'm not even sleepy, girl. I can't even sleep because I just been thinking what the fuck I'm gonna do with this car. So I ain't even been getting no sleep. I ain't ate shit in like 2 days. I ain't slept in 2 days. I swear to God, when I be stressed, like I can't eat.
Hold on one sec.
I only had it 2 weeks. Yeah.
Hold on one sec. We have to race. I'm gonna get out.
Elon,
How much gas you put in?
Elon,
Wait,
do I have to
move your
keep
arm, Martha.
explaining to
No,
you
you don't.
why
I
I'm about to get out.
I
We
know
can
you
leave it
don't.
down.
I understand, but I love to hear it. Cause she act like it's just all beautiful having a V8. No, the fuck it is. You're paying fucking $1,000 for gas.
It is what it is. If you want the car, you're gonna get the car. Basically.
Only that she got it and she's selling it. That's what I like it to hear.
Oh my god. I just love this. He talking about some for utility. I had to explain what your for
I'm
utility.
so sorry. I thought it was like maybe you putting on for your city. But you is a drug dealer, big boss with this motherfucker right here.
Right. No, honestly. Honestly.
Yeah, she ready to go.
This is the biggest
stressed.
biggest bite I've ever seen.
Yes, every time you hear that.
That's Hennessy. Elon, get some fucking
Very much fishbowl. Oh wow, look at my phone case, y'all.
Why are you trying to come for her?
I love the yellow. I'm so sorry you're giving it away. Yeah. Oh shit. This is no wait. Can you just make sure? Exactly.
No, it's lit. It's the damn Mexico. Go somewhere else, not here. People sleep.
It's the light for me.
I was just about to ask you that, like, there's literally people leaving.
Yeah, people sleeping.
Imagine my mom had
Yeah, the light is lit.
That's new. That's a new feature, you know that?
what light? Right
And the back seat one. Oh, and this is my favorite part. Can I see your fucking key fob? Yeah, let me just get these and I'll just screenshot because it's the pink key fob for me. But you're giving it away, like you already customized yourself out. You're giving it away. So if anybody knows a sugar daddy that's looking for a sugar baby, she needs her gas expenses handled.
Keep this shit in. It's really Joe Biden. You vote for Trump, your gas will go. Now. Martha, you gotta tap on yours. You gotta tap on it a little bit. Tap on it. So, yeah. Look at the RPMs. You can't go past 3. So, and then go. Yeah, you see that? Nice little grumble. There you go. Go ahead, do it again. Go ahead, Martha. Martha, your turn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You want to take that? I told you she like that. finesse, guys. She just finessed on you. Look at that. Oh, she's trying to take off for real. Y'all just be huffing each other rich.
Oh, Lord Jesus. What's going on, Hazard? Teach me how to spin sauna first. I'll spin sauna, then you spin sauna.
You know how to spin sauna.
I don't know how to spin sauna no more. I left all my hood rat festivities in the past. I forgot how. Can you just explain it real quick?
Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Oh, yeah. Nah, man, you killing them with the white light on top of white light.
Sauna, Jesus Christ. Look at them streaks. Y'all, please, like I said, like the video, find Martha's sugar daddy to pay her gas expenses so she can keep her Challenger. More car, no car. 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 I'm telling you. Yeah, that is your people though. You are Mopar at this point. So Mopar is basically Challengers, Chargers. Challengers, Chargers. I got you, man. I got you. I got you. It's a little ghost over there.
So everybody knows a Mopar.
Yeah, so
look,
Mopar is
next
basically,
one.
yeah. That's Mopar right there.
Okay,
Yo!
tell them.
Go
Let's go. Mopar, let's go. That's a fucking V6 must be.
That is. That's why he pushed it.
Stop. Nothing against the V6s at all. My first Camaro was a V6, fast. Second V6, I took her to the track, fast.
You have Eli, a V6 or V8?
V6.
Yeah, I don't want this fucking car. Y'all think I'm playing?
I don't think we're playing Martha. I would keep that piece of shit either.
Don't call my dream car V6. I don't like that.
Is it really a dream car?
It's the blue for me.
Oh, you need another one.
What?
It's the blue for me. Why are you running?
Don't run now.
We can just handle this business real quick. This bumpy now, honey.